Have you ever gone to hang a shelf or a mounted TV, drilled into the wall and immediately hit something and you're like, okay, what did I hit? Well, don't worry. I definitely been there myself, and I've done a lot of DIY projects that finding studs and avoiding electrical wire is something I deal with all the time. So today I'm reviewing and trying out a tool that's supposed to do more than just give you a beep. And before I do this review, I just want to say thanks to Cyber Power Tools for partnering with me on this video. So this right here is a Cyber Professional Stud Finder. It's a digital 3-mode stud scanner that can detect wood studs, electrical wire, and even metal behind your wall. It's even compact enough to fit in a pocket or a tool pouch, and even charges with a simple USB-C. And it doesn't need any Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no app. Just power it on and start scanning. And I love how it has 3 scanning modes depending on what you're looking for. So that metal mode helps locate things like steel studs, pipes, or rebar. The timber mode finds those wood studs, joists, or beams, like if you want to mount your TV. And the AC mode looks for live electrical wiring behind the wall, give you an extra warning before you drill. And what I really like is the display, because instead of just giving you a simple beep, it shows the signal strength percentage and the depth on screen. And as you get closer to the center of the stud, as you can see right here, the meter starts climbing till it gets to 100. And that's how you know that's the center. And so we just go ahead and mark it right here. And also I love how the audio beep, it changes to one continuous tone once you're over that center. So even though you're not looking at the display, you know exactly where you are. Another cool feature is the AC wire detector. So it measures about 2 inches deep about any electrical wiring. So as you can see, I have an outlet right here. So let's see where the wiring is at. Oh wow, we already caught it. Okay, so the wiring is right here, but if you go up, as you can see, it goes away once we move away from the wiring. And that's definitely a key feature that needs to be done, because you don't want to hit that wiring and somehow have a bad accident. And I also love how it's USB-C rechargeable, so no more like digging in a drawer trying to find all the wires, and then once you finally found one and hook it up, it doesn't even work. And I just love how using it is so straightforward. Like right here's the power button, so we're going to power it off. And as you can see, when you're ready to use it, you just press this button again. Pick the one that you want to detect, and there it is. It's super lightweight, easy to use, and whenever you're not using it, it automatically powers off within 10 minutes, so you can save your battery like that too. My favorite feature is probably the signal strength display. Older stud finders usually just beep somewhere around the stud, and you're just left guessing where the center actually is. With this one, you can actually watch the percentage climb as you move across the wall. There it is. You see it? 100% continuous tone. That's the center. And we're just gonna go ahead and mark it so we know where the dead center is. But before you start getting to work, there is a couple things you need to know about this. You do need to calibrate your wall stud finder before you start trying to find any metal studs, wood, or any electrical wiring like that, which only takes a second. Also, the AC detection can vary depending on the wall's materials and condition. So just treat it as a safety aid and not a replacement thing to turn off the breaker. And like any stud finder, old plaster and lead walls can be a little more challenging. So if you are interested in picking one of these up, they actually gave me my own reference link, and shout out to this brand and this company because they do so much amazing work on these tools. And if you want to grab it, I put the link in my description. Go ahead and click on that. I got my personal code and everything. And yeah, guys, give me reviews on how you like it, or comment down below and subscribe so you can see more videos of updates.